Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use the mesh normal material in ThreeJS. So firstly I will show you the output. I will just remove this flat shading for now and I will just show you the output. So this is how a mesh normal material looks like in ThreeJS, and if I apply some flat shading to it, this is how the output looks like. Okay, so let's get started. So here I have created a simple project using Vite, normal vanilla HTML, CSS and TypeScript project. So next thing which I did was inside package.json I have installed two dependencies. One is for ThreeJS, which is the 3 dependency, and second one is @type/3, which is install the types for TypeScript of ThreeJS. Then inside index.html I have just taken this canvas element and I have assigned some ID as well as some style. So position is fixed, top left is 0, outline is none, and here we are referencing our TypeScript file inside our HTML as well. So inside main.ts, these are all the imports which I have added from ThreeJS, as well as I have added this orbit controls as well. Then I get hold of our canvas using document.getElement by ID. I have created one scene, and here I am using mesh normal material. Now to use flat shading or not is your choice, but this is how you use a mesh normal material. I have created 3 mesh. One is sphere, one is plane, and one is for torus. Then I have added all 3 of them to our scene. Then I am getting the entire width and height of our device. I have created one perspective camera, added it to our scene. I have created one orbital controls as well. Now orbit controls is used only for like moving around, translating, rotating, those kind of stuff. And here I have created one WebGL renderer and I have set some size to it. Now on resize I want to update the camera as well as renderer, so that's what I am doing over here. And on double click I just want to go full screen or exit full screen. Here I have created one clock as well, and on tick function we are getting our elapsed time. And here I am just rotating X and Y of all the meshes just to have some kind of animations. And here I am just updating our controls. Then I am just doing renderer scene and camera, and this request animation frame is called every frame per second, and here I just call our tick function. So as you can see over here, this is the output. So yeah, that's how you can use this mesh normal material. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.